Mpumalanga is not being taken serious.
Okay.
I'm not into so much entertainment politics.
Okay.
But i-province yethu iyabala. Naka ukuthi ama-artists lamaningi ase-Joburg, they just, and sinalomqondo nathi manje bawu-implementile ukuthi if you want to get somewhere, go to Joburg, man.
Yes.
Go and approach who and who. Lo muntu angikhona ukum-approach it through the internet while I'm still here in Mpumalanga. Is that not possible? Eyiva le nto mara le ngiyichazako.
Okay.
As Mpumalanga artists, we are not taken serious because of our location. That's the sad truth. That's the sad truth. Ngiloko nje lengakusho. You are where you are because of labantu lolongasabafuni masowuli. If boy one ufuna ungitshela ukuthi bongafika le sikanginaki thina sithola sisedu. Ubathe we are release we are having serious things to do thina we are not minding your business. Sibusy. Sibusy kabi.
Okay.
Uyayimosha ibrand yakho.
Okay.
Uyayimosha too much. Ula kule position lokuyo because you need people. Yini manje yini? Yeah.
Good evening to Tumelang sanibonani absheni. Diyabhadla dibhadlile satobhadla sikhathi lesithe nina bekunene. We are back hey. Namhla anathi nginiphathele surprise lemnanzi kanjani. Angihambi ngedwa ke namhlanje ngihamba nasiswami lana. Baby kunjani sis Fatima?
Hi Bunzamani njani wena?
Utiva unjani kudiyabhadla namuhla mnakethu ufike live cha.
I'm very excited. Thank you so much guys for having me here.
Okay?
Ngijabule over.
Kahle.
Exactly.
Sesifatima bengicela mani bengibona ngathi kungaba indvo lehle uma ungatithula kubalandzeli bethu ukuthi ungubani wakabani ufike njani kudiyabhadla.
Okay.
Yes.
Guys, my name is Fatima Hatia. Yeah, that's how
Okay.
everyone knows me. I'm Fatima Hatia in Bombatani yaseNaspoti ngiphuma phakathi emathule eMpumalanga.
Okay.
Ngimloyo. So I came here because I got a very sweet invite.
Okay.
And then ngayamukela. I honored it.
Okay.
So yeah, ngiyabonga. Thank you so much.
Yini lo ungayichazela abalandzeli bethu as an upcoming artist bathi ukuthi wena ubhizi ngani kahle hle ungubani wafundzaphi konke nje kona lokho nje.
Ufuna ama details. I'll give you what you want.
Let's just go straight into details.
Phakathi angithi diyabhadla.
Okay.
Asibhadla. Asibhadla. Awenta ngibulala wena.
Okay.
So Fatima wasemathulu, just like I highlighted before. Ngidalwe khona la.
Okay.
Yes, ngidalwe khona la, ngikhula khona la. I went to primary school at Dakilin Primary School. And then high school, ngaya eSibusisiwa High School.
Okay.
And then I was not privileged enough or graced enough to okay. Tertiary level.
Okay.
But God was too sweet. And then wathi, lalela my dear, tata le hobby yakho le and turn it into a career so that you can get a living. And I'm living out of it.
Okay.
I'm making money out of it.
Kumnanzi.
Exactly.
Uyashelela.
Mara not that much, but angithi yashelela kushelela in a good way.
Bathi ngesilumbi you always start somewhere. Basho njalo nabasho bathi you always start somewhere.
To get
mina ngiyahlonipha ke into lecala kancane.
Thank you so much. Give me the credit.
Ikuphethe njani sesifatima the industry kahle bengajabula uma bongangichazela ukuthi lenzaba yemculo icale kanjani kuwe la yaqala khona
yo inzaba yemculo Bunzamani. Okay, I started singing in primary school.
Okay.
Yeah, ngicula assembly, so like career day, funny day. No, ngakhuluma ngathi nje bengicula ukuthi ngilida ilona skolo when we are singing before prayer. No. Okay. I was not doing that in primary.
Okay.
But yeah, I started like that, and then Sunday school.
Yes.
And then I went to high school. Yeah, develop kanjalo. And then in high school, it happened ukuthi I worked with a band, a very great band.
Really?
Yeah, and since from then we are just intact. We are one. Mawufuna lo ufuna mina. Mawufuna lo ufuna mina. Do you understand?
Yini le yakhahlela kahle hle yini le yabangela imbangela yalelithandvo laba kakhulu kangaka kuwe.
Oh, I love the question. Pull together.
Okay.
I pull together leya susa yonke lento because angithi ngiyaticulela mina just for fun because I love this thing. And then it happened this other time around. I was a certain member lelinge lisonto.
Okay.
Yeah. Asuka njalo. Pull together. I pulled the crowd. Go pull together.
Yini yona le pull together lena ngiyeva.
Oh, it pull together. It pull together ngilokuthi sihlangane simabandla and then the youth get to express themselves through singing. as
Okay.
ichoir. Kahle kahle mncintiswano wemachoir ebabandleni lahlukahlukene.
Yes.
And then man, best believe me, I pulled the crowd, we pulled together. It was pulling. Yeah.
Ngiyaye ngive bathi labanye upcoming artists bathi bona kunabhuti le wangibona bengihlala ngihlabela kunamake le wangitshela ukuthi eyibukela la lento lena ungayithatheli phasi wena kuwe on that situation yacala kanjani lento
Okay, lento lena yaqala ngokuthi
lokhu lekunguye yena mhlawumbe
lo wasusa yonke
Yeah.
lento. I'll be honest with you.
okay
There's this guy, and I'm going to name his name.
okay
Manase Kupai.
shout out to Manase Kupai wow
Ooh.
okay
Yeah, that guy actually loved my voice. He really loved my voice. He admired my voice.
wow
Oh yeah, Samar.
Yeah.
Not that the other people they were not doing that, but he was doing it extra in such a way. No man, this person can't be saying the very same thing over and over again.
yini lebekayisho kuwe kahle lengane
Bekahlezi asemva kwami, Fatima, please sing. Fatima, please do this. Fatima, can I go with you somewhere? Fatima, I've got something interesting for you. Come and sing this Sunday at my church. Ya develop. Do you get it? So wafaka le positive mindset
okay
in my mind.
ngawo lo mculo
I appreciate him for that.
okay
Yeah.
kusuka manje lapho yabe yakhela njani
Yakhela sona angithi sengiyahlabela esontweni.
yes
Oh, I met a lot of people. And then there was this other guy, but Steps Mapanga. I'm going to name the people that I appreciate the
okay
most.
okay
Exactly.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
he was going to the other church that we used to go to. And I mean,
okay
I was like, guys, how about Sishalendole as my live sessions?
Okay.
Let's shift a bit from the gospel and then Stule Makava Sha. Or Fatima, you can be creative. Create something. And then iband yafomeka. Mind you, I'm still in high school. Yafomeka kanjalo iband. We got our first gig is 013. Boom. Climb, girl. Climb.
manje le outcome le behavior yalabalandeli bakho the first experience yabanjani
They're very happy.
okay
Because they were like, Aibo, this one doesn't sing gospel only. This girl is actually creative. Yeah, this is. I went through creativity, yummy, with the team, and then it escalated to a point where I sing a record.
okay manje ungangicocela kancane mine ke ngiyati ukuthi mangabe uqale kuhlabela esontweni uyabona kuba nalama occasions la ukuthi you know kube nje ibe emotional kuna those occasions la kwaba khona nje emotional umculo wakubamba ingoma wajula kuyo uma ungahle mhlambe ukhumbule kwenakalani kuwe ngaleyo ndlela mhlawumbe
Yeah, but then when it comes to such occasions, you can't feel if it's reality or uyatiphuphela. You just get caught up in the moment. Uyabambeka. Like
Okay.
uyabambeka. Sometimes you can't even sing. You're just holding the mic and just crying. Because you're caught up in the motion. You are feeling everything. You are amazed by the crowd. You are amazed by yourself. Like you're like, Aibo, I'm capable of this. Is this really me? So it's interesting. Very interesting.
bayaye basho ke labo ma Holy Ghost fire laba bathi kunemoya lohle wehla enkonzweni uyabona and they believe ukuthi uma ngabe umculo uhlabela uyabo kuba nalesimo la utive uba so emotional and get too attached to the song you understand
So samandleni lapho ne?
yes
Yeah.
but see it's the presence of God basho njalo boma Holy Ghost fire bathi that's the presence of God manje ngifuna kwathi ukuthi uma ngabe nenda leti ngoma tenu mhlambe other genres tiyaye tibe khona timo leti njengaleto
Exactly. Diyabakhona kaningi futhi because sometimes it counts from le genre losuke uyihlabela.
okay
I genre losuke uyihlabela it counts a lot. Some people get emotional over my beat, amapiano. Do you understand? Umuntu ubona cimeta, bo deep house and all of that. Yavisisa?
so akusiye umoya kaNkulunkulu kuphela
Asiyo umoya kaNkulunkulu kuphela.
ye madoda bengingayathi mina
Music on its own gets you feel something.
okay
Yeah, doesn't matter what's in your genre. You just get to feel something. You get caught up in the moment.
Okay.
Exactly.
Manje yini le nenda lo mculo sonibamba ubona umuntu ngasoshashwa igezi kusuka sekwenzekani mina ngiyafisa kwathi ukuthi kufika njani lapho ngoba mina ngathi ukuthi kunemoya waNkulunkulu lo wehla enkonzweni mabahlabela mhlambe bo gospel music or something manje ngiyaye ngibabone labo Beyonce labo umuntu ngathi so uyahlahlabuka lapha ngithi yini le ngaka la ifika lokho ngoba uhlabela nje umusic nje lesithe vele wona thi
I know now even a feeling like, but you're surprised. And then
yes.
get the ndagalela, man. It just runs in your veins. It runs in your body. Get the ndagalela. You just get caught up in the moment. And you're like, "Aibo, mina ngahlahle ghost."
Okay.
Yeah, mina staring.
Okay.
And unless staring, you're caught up in the moment.
Okay.
You are amazed by yourself.
Noma
Ngiyatithusa kwanami.
Lenyembe lifuna ukubamba.
Ngawudibambe.
Okay.
How could you hold your tears, Mzamani?
Staring phela basakhali. Yabona lo uNkulunkulu wehla njani wakho ukubamba lo muntu.
Sinesikhala khona ke.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ngisiphi ke seswami isimo longasikhumbula wena mhlambe lwake wahlangabetana naso kuyo mhlambe le ndlela yemculo lo kuyo wena la wabona ungathi akukho fair kahle for upcoming artists ukuthi bafinyelele phambili ngenxa yetindo mhlambe letendwa abantu la sebakhona khona lapha eTulu.
Please repeat your question. Ngaze ngikuphendula into lebhekele.
Angisho kuyaye kube khona ema sabotage mhlawumbe ngakubekisela ngema sports wabona
Yeah.
bayaye bakhale bafana back emalokishini bathi bobani ngibo labazivalela ukuthi mhlambe umuntu nanimbona anel talent lokudlala ibhola kube madima kufika lapha. So ngifuna kwathi wena ukuthi ngisiphi isimo yini le yakwenda wa realize ukuthi upcoming artist kunesimo lesibavalela ama channels especially ebantwana labaqhamuka etinzaweni leti njengaleti lesihlala kito leti Bonel Sprayed and stuff. People believe ukuthi music useJoburg. They
Exactly.
always believe that.
You have to travel for music.
So now njengoba wena mhlambe so ihamba hambile lendlela ngisiphi isimo nembangela lo wayibona wena kuthi lokhu nguye lokuye kuvalele upcoming artist ukuthi baphumelele baye phambili mhlawumbe nabo angathi ube ngiyibeka kahle
Kamnanzi futhi yabona ngiyase ngiyifisisa.
okay
Yabona ukuze ngiphendule inkulumo yakho ngesiswati lesimple.
yes
Location yethu yaccount.
kuthi kuphi
Mpumalanga is not being taken serious.
okay
Yes. I am not into so much entertainment politics.
okay
But i-province yethu iyabala. Naka ukuthi ma-artists lamaningi aseJoburg, they just and sinalomqondo nathi manje laba implementile ukuthi if you want to get somewhere, go to Joburg, man.
Yes.
Go and approach who and who. Lo muntu angikhona ukum-approach it through the internet while I'm still here in Mpumalanga. Is that not possible? Yayiva le nto mara le ngiyichazako.
okay
As Mpumalanga artists, we are not taken serious because of our location. That's the sad truth. That's the sad truth. Ngiloko nje lengakusho.
manje shokuthi uma uhlala enzaweni lenjengalina sport kuze ube ngileli artist people that expect every time ukubona ulapha mina based on my researches ngiye ngibone boJoyous uve bathi kunaluthando umfananyana nje adlala ama drum nyana lapha uve bathi bamthole bomanini nini so ngalamanye amagama indolo zama ukungitshela yona wena ungitshela ukuthi uma usetindzaweni lesisezene nelijozi akusilula ukuthi ube artist
Exactly. You need to get there and hustle there, be seen there before la ubuya khona lesikwati khona you have to be seen. You see ukuthi the theory doesn't make sense. Exactly, it doesn't make sense. Why kufuna ngisuke from where I am? Ngiye le ekutheni le for my work to be noticed. Am I not loud enough because I come from the rural areas? I'm not from the city of gold. Yakubona nje ukuthi konke lokho kuyabala. I-advantage thina i-disadvantage I mean lesinayo thina. It's that sichamuka from le emakhaya thina sibuya le ma-rural areas.
okay
Funeka thina sisuke sipake tikhwama sisuke emathulu siya le Joburg for us to be seen and heard.
uyabona mina nje wena ngwenya ngidakubekisela ingiphatha kabuhlungu indzaba ukuthi thine sesiyati ukuthi government kune ma departments ka music la awachasako ngetimali ukuthi akhule
Yeah.
mhlawumbe asithi kuma local municipalities local places tindzawo nje letincane wabona kunetimali lapha ka sports and culture letiphuma ukuthi akuchaseke labantwana uyabona nje abantwana labena ama-sports and all these things.
Exactly.
So leli jozi lisabotaja njani uma ngabe thine ngala sinabo bantu lebangasiphakamisa basibeke la sifisa mhlambe kufika khona.
And you're getting to the politics, of which it's fine.
Okay?
Lijozi lislimata ngekuthi khona la Mpumalanga, the very same big shots or people who are under the entertainment industry babukha la laba lethu fill up whatsoever gig la bayihostako la.
Okay.
Uyavisisa mara.
Okay.
And then they will just take a portion of our local artists so that they get to fill up black gap yokuthi hayi man sibafakile mos. But masothi uyayibuka ipost uyayibuka iline-up kucwele lijozi laphana. Thina we are just few. And mind you, leli jozi libhadalwa lesikali lesifunekako for bona. For these ones that are around our province, laba ma-local artists, because that's how they call us, bona baniketwa a less amount. Yayiva lento ukuthi buhlongophi? Tebhadla.
Kubangelwa yini seswa mara uyathi mina ngiyaye ngive bathi kunabo music garden ngiyengeva nje bathi ikhona nje lenye event bathi music garden kunendumiso yaseMpumalanga what so on and I know that kuthi igovernment uma ichasa labantu laba kunetigada letimali etiphumako kuthi akundlondlobale kakhudlwana the local artists bakuleyo ndzawo. Semanje mina I'm worried ukuthi uma le event on the ongoing event seyikhona event the organizers angisho siyabathi ukuthi mhlawumbe siyathi ukuthi siyabonga wakamkhabela lona nguye la hosta le event leyo la ina sport. Uyamathi as an artist uyathi ukuthi ngibo bantu labavama kwenda ema event la njengalawo. So babese banisabotaja njani kuze mhlambe kuthola ama slots or ini sometimes mhlambe kungaba ukuthi they don't do enough researches to check the local in local areas ukuthi mhlambe enkomazi kunabo bani engodini kunabo bani ngibekise nje into leti njengaleto laba labahlela lama events banisabotaja njani kuze nifinyelele ukuthi natiwe lapha.
Okay, I won't use eligama lokuthi basabotage.
Okay.
Because khumbula, in most cases host the event,
Okay.
we expect in return a large sum of amount. Do you get my point?
Okay.
Exactly. Mina ngifatima ngwaseMathula.
Yes.
Ngatiwe enkomazi ngatiwe neListrate, maybe a couple of people in Witbank in lo muntu so waya ama options zakho uba like forgetting ukuthi he or she is doing this thing to boost my artist akuphi aseMpumalanga.
Okay.
Uyavisisa yena sona lomqondo ukuthi no mara mangabita zibanibani waseJozi angangigqwalisela unama followers langaka. So kwanathi our followers count for us. Uyangivisisa ma followers ethu ma engagements wethu ku social media ayasibalela ukuthi kahle kahle do you deserve it or do you just have to stay back a little bit until uthi kancane. So everything leyenziwa kule entertainment industry is either imali and there was kwakhe imali funa kuphuma imali kuzibuye. Uyasivisisa ngiyakunika uyangidilivela uyangishiyela futhi. But mangathatha Fatima waseMathula maybe lona 100k followers kunalomunye waseJozi na 1 million followers uyokhetha muphi? Ukhetha lo because of the mindset of money, forgetting ukuthi awusadelive lento lobe uqashelwe yona from the get go. This thing is for Mpumalanga artists, for an example. This is for local artists. But when you lanzalela bale ngisuke njani mina la if I don't get support from the streams that we're looking at. Uyangivisisa?
Kuvakazi.
Yeah, we are getting deep.
Iyashaya kakhulu nasiswami ungiva nje ngicila kuyo kakhulu lena ukuthi ifocus yami ifocus mhlambe yebalandzeli bethu ifocus yethu yabhadla kubuka labantwana labancane labafuna kuba ngisomething ikusasa angisho njenga tinhlelo leti njengalethu kucucutela mhlambe labantwana labakona kwenda tinto ukuthi ikhona ichance ukuthi ungaba ngilento lofuna kuba ngiyo. So then we need to expose these things ukuthi uma ngabe mhlambe kunetinto letivalela labo bantwana ukuthi bafinyelele kule tinto leto bantu funa batahle letinto leto. Ngivamile ke mina kusho la kule show yethu yabhadla ukuthi people don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Ngisuke ngikhulumela lelichaso lelo lichaso ukuthi people must remember ukuthi njalo nangabe babuya ngebuningi basupporta kulento lena sitawu kwathi kulwela abantwana labaningi.
Exactly. Exactly, that's the
Ibuhlungu
truth.
kakhulu lento leyo.
Too much.
And ibulala ama-artist lamaningi. I remember it was last year if I'm not mistaken. Ngathi kwaba ne-event lenkulu elikazi, even though I can't remember the place, but ngiyakhumbula ukuthi
Yes.
I was so worried. Ngeva bathi no, it's not last year. I clearly cannot remember, but ngiyakhumbula ukuthi kuke kwafika okanye OJs or something, people from UK,
Yebo.
ma-artists from
I remember
UK.
that event.
And I was so surprised ukuthi sinema-artist langaka
But
la
i-poster
eSouth Africa.
Yeah.
Kwenziwa yini ukuthi kulanzwe bantu ekutheni kangaka balethe lwana batoniketwa imali engaka
Sikhona thina la. Exactly. So kahle they don't admire our talents. Do you see that?
So now on top of all these things letendekako leti letibulala labantwana, nine ke siswami nine niyithola njani the spirit of carrying on, lo moya wokuchubeka ukuthi mine batongati I'm going to put a stamp there so that everyone out there utomati Fatima ukuthi ngibani. How do you do that? Nikwenza njani lo?
Umsebenzi wemuntu uyatikhulumela.
Okay.
Another thing, God doesn't put you in a situation that you cannot stand.
Oh yes.
Namuhla ungaba la, kusasa ungaba le. Lo phasa ka ukuwa lo setulo. I don't know if you get my words.
Nguva kahle.
Exactly. You have to keep the energy going. Phela if ungasathi thembele kuwe, how are you going to believe in you? Awusathi thembi kwa wena. How am I going to believe in you?
It's true.
Put on the energy. Give yourself the positive vibe. And then nami ngitolandzele tinyathelweni takho.
Yeah.
If mina ngichubeka ngiphushe ngiyarelease, eventually you guys will be like, "Ay man, kan who is this girl?" And ekhumbula, awuhlali unzawonye, you grow in the industry.
Okay.
You grow. Namuhla ngacula le genre lena, but mangitoyimatura to a point whereby nama ngihleli ngisho ukuthi yeah, mina ngighost.
I've done it.
I've done it. Utati khulumela msebenzi wami. Eventually. So hard work pays.
So usangena kule industry yemusic, ngiyiphi ijandra lo busy kuyo ihlelo lemculo mhlambe lo busy ngalo?
Afropop and
Okay.
Afro hip hop.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yini le yakwenda wathanza that genre?
Because I
What
speak the
made you
truth.
fell in love with that?
I speak the truth. Yeah, mina ngangena studio ngikhuluma amaqiniso, ngikhipha konke lokusenhlitweni. I just speak the truth. Naked truth, ngiloko.
Okay.
I sing reality mina. Mina ngitshela lento lo either undlule kuyo or undlula kuyo, usato undlula kuyo. And you will definitely go back to that song that I released so that you just calm your thoughts. Mina, my music is for mending the broken hearts, the broken souls, and the hopeless ones. Music is about that. It's about reality.
Yabona ngabe ngiyakhona ngabe ngitshela our technicians ukuthi badlale hey kunalenye ingoma yakho lengivile ngeva ukuthi hayi no uyanyathela. Yini le lengaka uyatibhalela umculo?
Yes. Yes.
Uyithola phi lenvo lekwenda ukuthi ukhone kubhala umculo lomnanzi nakangaka?
It comes from the heart. Hence I said I speak the truth. I'll spit out the truth. Yabo? Khuluma amaqiniso mina.
Okay.
Mina lengubhalako maqiniso. I'm not just making music for fun. I'm just being realistic. I'm being real. Ngicula ngetigameko tempilo. Problems and situations that people get to face in daily life. Yabo? Kukanjalo.
Lento lekwenda uthi ube nale drive to keep on writing. Ngiyaye ngive labanye umve bathi nifuna ngiye emfuleni ngiyohlala emfuleni. Lo munye utamvathi ufuna endumbeni yamakwakhe kuze akhone kubhala umculo. Yeah, babantu kunetinto nje lehlukile letibenda bakhone kubhala. Wena yini lekwenda ukhone kubhala umusic lomnanzi kangaka mhlambe into lokhona ku relate nayo at that time so that you can be able ukuthi lama lyrics can just pour like that?
Okay, most of it all. Kumbe ukuthi abantu bathanda kuventa kimi too much.
Okay.
So I get to feel abanye abantu lipain labo ukuthi linjani. Pain makes me right. It's not about my personal pain, but sometimes the pain lengiliva tukwetingqoqo tebantu lengivame kuba nato. Because I'm a good listener.
Okay.
I'm a good advisor, mina, and I'm a good listener. I'm going to give myself that credit.
Okay.
Because I get that a lot.
Okay.
So pain makes me right.
Okay.
Pain, misery, all of the things like when there was in right. Or another thing and struggles.
Okay.
Yeah, struggles make me right. Lapho ngokubhalela lapho utojabula nawe.
Okay.
Yeah, because ngiyakho ukuthi ngilokhuluma ngamaqiniso and I'll motivate you to do better. I'll motivate you not to give up. Kude lokudlula ukuthi uhustlishe even more further. Because namhla kumnyama doesn't mean ukuthi kusasa ngekukhanya.
Yaqinisa.
Exactly.
Umndeni wakho kukuchasa kuleli talent lonalo ihamba njani indzaba siyaye sive bathi beka performa kuphi bekana seswakhe na bhuti wakhe beka performa kuphi sibone makwakhe sekavela things like that. How is the relationship yakho nemculo nemndeni wakho?
Yo, imnanzi guys.
Okay.
I don't want to lie. My family is very supportive.
Okay.
And by the way, there are old songs like but my siblings still know them by heart.
Really?
You see how much they are fond of me.
Okay.
They are fond of my voice and my music.
Yeah.
So, when it comes to my music, they're very supportive. They do attend my gigs, especially Magutsing launch a certain EP.
Yes.
They'll be there. They come like full force. They're very supportive. I don't want to lie.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Ngihambe ngahamba libanga ngafika ngeva ngayinjonja lento ukuthi ngeva bathi he's your musical director or producer yakho I'm not sure but ngeva bathi usebenza nemnakenu bengicela ungikhumbude konje ngibani wakabani usebenza naye.
Sia Keys.
Okay.
That's my cousin.
Okay.
Kahle it runs in the family, ne?
Okay.
Udlala keyboard Sia.
Okay.
Yeah, so in most of the gigs, ngikhamba na Sia. And Sia mina na isiqhamuka from le. Do you remember I told you ukuthi sayiqala esondweni boma pull together?
Okay, okay.
We come from
so
that
naye
side.
ubusy kule land aboma Holy Ghost fire ngibo labashaya lethi.
Stop it, man. Stop it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. He plays esondweni, he plays Naguma gigs.
Okay.
Yeah, like many gigs. Many gigs, Joburg, Mill Street. Anyway, all over the Lowveld. Yeah. Lampumalanga nje all over the Lowveld. Uyadlala nakwe Joburg. Uyadlala. So, kumnanzi kusebona nemnakenu, niyavisisana. Uyakhona niyakhona kubalance.
Okay.
He fills my energy, I fills his energy. He fills my cup, I fills his cup.
Angimathi ke mnelo Siya lo ngikubonile la vele uhamba naleli bodyguard lihleli akusuye nje lo uhamba naye.
That is the Sia that I'm talking about.
Oh Siya kunjani emnakethu ubhaca kangaka kanzi ukhona la. Ongiyo le ndvodza le khipha lo mculo lomhle kangaka.
Thule nato. He's the one. He's the guy who's having the fingers, the touching one. Yeah, the fingers that makes everything smooth and soft.
Okay.
That's my cousin.
Ninjani babe ngwenya bongeke nje kancane uthi fahla balandzeli bethi ngiyayithanza ke le ngiyajabula futhi ukuthi ude naye lana bongeke uthi fahla balandzeli bakho kunjani kusebenza naseSifatima umculo wakhe ngiyawuthanza mina kethu netless can ngicala ku discover that she can sing so much and when you fell in love with what she's doing now wathanza kusebenzisana naye. How was that situation?
Sanibonani, ngicela ngikubingelela.
Yes.
Ngisiyabonga
Siyaphila mnakethu.
Ngisiyabonga ngwenya. Yeah, ekulukhuni kusebenzana noSesi lo.
Ngiyabona uhluba
ibodyguard. Uyahlupha. Yeah. Ibeke nje ebaleni uyahlupha but we make nice music together. Bayasithanza kakhulu bantu. Basibita bathi the Ngwenyas.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Singafika. Yebabe. Bayadi ukuthi hayi bangafika.
Okay.
Dawujika.
Manje bantu babanifuna kwente kanjani kufonelwa wena or kwente kanjani bantu nabanifuna nje uma ungayithatha nje uyibhadlule emnakethu angivami ke kukwenda lokhu sengiya advertise kanjalo nje. Yeah uyinike balandzeli bethu ngoba ngiyathi usibani batanifuna.
Kuhle kakhulu. Kuma social media ngimsebonga ngwenya.
Okay.
Ngifatima Hati.
Okay.
Uthole yena uthole mina.
Okay.
Mathola mina uthole yena.
Okay.
Njalo.
So lokuhlupha lokhuluma ngakho mnakethu uhle endani ilele ngaka lecture. Awuva Fatima.
And then
Yeah.
I think it's because I'm stubborn. That's why.
Okay.
Arakachaza.
Uyahlupha ke sesi.
Okay.
Yeah, ngoba I think when we are purchasing the sound, yabona khona la ngifisa mhlawumbe afike khona.
Okay.
Alice man.
Yeah.
Alice ngibathenda lokhu Alice man.
Hmm.
Yeah. Alice azathi akusasa ngeke sihlangane mina nawe. Ngilwe ngimtshele ngithi angeke.
Yeah.
Yeah.
La uyenda la.
Uyenda ende. Hebabe. Yeah.
I know only one song and ngidawucela bobhuti labaphathele insimbi ngale ukuthi bayidlale. Hey, I fell in love with that song. Ngathi inyeke wena babengwenya lengoma lena. It's a very very nice song. Shokuthi lo mnakethu lona nalomuntu longeva lona. Hey, no, the collaboration I know. Hayi ingenhla kakhulu. Sesifatima kusebenza naBhuti siyabonga wena kukhona mhlambe bumatima lo hle uhlangabetane nabo. Hey umbona ukuthi hey lana ulukhuni but you can manage.
Akahluphi ngabe ngiyamsukela. Uyangicaka nje ngoba ungi-exposile. Yabo sokhipha amafayela lana.
Okay.
He's not a difficult guy, Shema, don't wanna
Okay.
lie. He's not
Okay.
a difficult guy. Problem yakhe i-one. Angithi nami ngiyakhipha, ukhiphile naye.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. At kanzani tiyabhadla.
Sia challenges me a lot.
Okay.
He literally challenges me a lot.
Okay.
Ungahamba ngale stream lesi. Manje sinifika leni yakhona. Avela kutshela kahle asi be creative. And ayekutokutshela verbally. Uyova from his keys ukuthi now I have to be creative.
Wow, that's beautiful.
And that would be an amazing set.
Yeah,
Because
that's
mangiphuma ngaze ngimzuphele ngimhakhe ngithi yo wena aze ngikutshelile. Thina sibeka ngwenya thina. This thing runs in the family. So yeah, that's just it. Nevertheless, he's a good guy.
Manje emagigi lenihle niwatfola ayaye abe maningi kuyayendeka mhlambe ukuthi abantu bakufune kutholakale ukuthi the ngwenya are fully booked kuyaye kwendeke.
Yeah. Gendega, like in most cases gendega, especially my Sundays.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
most of the people love Sundays, my live sessions. So on Sundays sivamile nje kuba fully booked.
Okay.
Exactly.
Lamanye mhlambe producers la uke wasebenza nawo phambilini.
As in like kuyabe kuyendeka noma ngisebenza nabo ukuthi sibe fully booked.
No sengiyasho ukuthi bobani mhlambe la uke wasebenza nabo ngaphandle kwemnakethu la.
I've worked with Ngwana on it.
Okay.
Yes, Ngwana on it, Wakamakuku, and then there's Jungle Beats from Johannesburg.
Okay.
There's Divine Mlambo from Nelly Strait. Yo, there's a lot. There's Future Fu, Wakona Lamatzulu.
Yes.
Also
yes.
Nasenkomazi because it's moving up and down, ne?
Okay.
Business wise.
Okay.
So Future Fu na ngisebenzile naye, and I've worked with Magic Fingers.
Okay.
I've worked with DJ Dan.
Okay.
Yo ngabala.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would count. I've also worked with who? I forgot some of them.
Okay.
I would sing a coach, I'm really sorry. Oh, Pagza.
Okay.
I've worked with Pagza.
Wow.
Yeah, there's a lot. There's really a lot.
Yini lekwende ukuthi out of all labantu lobabalako ukuthi wasebenza nabo wakhetha lo sebenza naye nyalo lo sebenza naye nyalo. Ngoba ngivile ngandlebenye ukuthi there's an upcoming single lekufuna abalandzeli mara utayicoca ke wena ke. Okay.
Okay, angkhethanga mundu.
Okay.
Mina I go with the energy and flow. Remember, if ungipusha ngiyakupusha.
Okay.
If ungipusha ngiyakupusha.
Okay.
So I just didn't just choose anyone and be like long no. I still work with everyone, but you are available for me. I'll be
Yes.
available for you.
Okay.
Because at the end of the day we need to push the business.
Yes.
Yes. We need to balance the equation.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mina ngiyafisa nje wena sisi wami ukuthi lama singles ungathi ningawakhipha nje ngokulandzelana ngikufisela inhlanhla kakhulu.
Thank
There's a question lana le bengisolo ngifisa kuyibuta artist leli njengawe, an upcoming artist. Ukile wabantu kwesimo whereby uyabona lesimo lesi let's take for instance bakubite somewhere uyako perform.
Yes.
Engivile ukuthi you are also an MC esiyeta lapho. Simo lewake wabakuso ubitiwe egigini. Sakuvisa buhlungu so much that nanyalo solo awusikhohlwa ene bengifisa kwathi ukuthi kwabangelwa yini uma ngabe sike saba khona ukuthi you were so disappointed ngaleyo ndlela mhlawumbe.
as my upcoming artist, sometimes you're not taking serious because banamqondo ukuthi awusaqala moslo. And thola ukuthi bosolo pusha, but this person khana ngathi manje. And akayenda ngane follow up. Ube booked to a venue. I won't mention the venue because noma ngicabanga ngiyangikhuba ne.
Okay.
Was very hurt. So I got booked, I created invoices and then I submitted them. And then the person was like, we were supposed to, angithi mawune-gig, they have to send a deposit before you get there.
Okay.
Labanye baba like, yo, mina, I've never heard you before, but I'm just trying my luck because somebody recommended me. Mawi local artist.
Yeah.
Uba disadvantaged when it comes to that. Yeah, this some people will be like, some people will be like, ayang mati mina lona akabuye kuqala sha. Stomniketa timfanelo takhe when she gets here. Isn't it that she just submitted invoice yakhe? So we're good to go. Uyavisisa. Even if you don't understand that, khumbula nawe ufuna creator ube kulendo lo uyifisako on daily basis. You know wagwinya la magama lawo and just go there because you trust the person. You trust the event organizer and you trust the process. Only to find out ukuthi masofika lapha sekusuka iwuroro. Do you expect me to get on stage? Sivumelene mos. I am here. Okay, fine. Maybe mawunenhlitiyo lehle njengami uyatehlisa ngithi sometimes you get on stage, you deliver what you have to deliver. Khumbula abantu bakulinzile. Bantu bakulinzile and when you're an upcoming artist, so either you afuna or ufuna utawujika unjalo. Uyavisisa? Now you are having problems with finance and now you have to get on stage frustrated. Uyavisisa? You deliver. And then the person will be like, I say, that is not what I wanted. What are you going to do about it? Abuyakutshela ukuthi ati promote. Athi mara kube bongafuna ngoba vela uketanga from the start. I faced such situations, man. I faced such situations, I think 2 or 3 times. Khona la Mpumalanga.
Sabo.
Yeah, and lebe sikhuluma ngayo la makhulu lebe ikhona lebe sixoxa ngayo.
Yes.
I was once part of it. I was on the poster. I never went there because I was already fed up. I was really fed up because as a person you get tired. Angosolo uti market. Labanye bakubona labanye abakuboni. Labanye sebathatha advantage ukuthi hayi uTota ngithi vele akakaza perform asengithi eMbombela stadium.
Yeah.
uTota eMbombela. Sometimes mawumuntu nema morals, you need to understand that you know what? This is it. You know where to draw the line. I've served myself. I've marketed myself enough. And then when you're still going to take advantage of that, don't do that. Not here, man. Not here.
Ngiyaye ngive wena sesifatima uve bathi siyafika enzaweni kune event bathi leli artist likwatiswa ukuthi lathenjiswa ukuthi mhlawumbe kutawuba ne live setup yabo. Kuna DJ bathi akasale alingisa mime situations like that uyabona. Uthi uyalalela uve bathi leli artist likwatile lashiya yonke into lahamba.
Such experiences.
Ukile abantu kwesimo lesijalo.
No.
La ufika khona uthi lento lesivumelane ngayo nema service providers akusiko lokhu and you became so fed up ngalendlela lokuthi awungakhona ukukubeketelela wa decide ukuthi ushiye kanjalo uhambe.
Khumbula, the reason why you are here for your fans and the crowd.
Okay.
Uyavisisa?
Yes.
So mina masenguthi manje ngiyafika. Mina nawe samithani kulama requirements ethu lebezivumelane ngawo or my expertise.
Yes.
So now I have to ruin my image for that. Ngiyarepeat. Mina ngalendlela ngingilomuntu lonenhlitiyo lehle ngayo.
Yes.
I'll give the crowd what they want. I'll give my fans what they want.
Usina noma ngabe ningeke nize ningibhatalele.
Uyobonwa inkosi wena. That's it. And then I'll just leave the stage and just go back home.
Yeah, uyabona kulo mkhakha lokuwo nalenhlitiyo lonayo mina ngithi kuwe uma utochubeka ngendlela uchubeka ngayo sonke la eMpumalanga thina siyakusingatha ukuthi ukhule ube ngileli artist lofisa kubangile.
I receive.
Mancane kakhulu ema artist, you know, bantu into labayatiko on the music business. Bantu bathi ukuthi kuyarojwana la ngaphandle. And uyakhula uyafika on the music industry utshelwe ukuthi bani warojwa the people they get very sensitive. Artists
exactly
get very sensitive with the business.
Yes.
So now uma bafika lapha and get so much disappointments Muntu can just pull out like that.
True.
Ahluleke kukhumbula ukuthi kunebalandzeli bakhe lekufuna abanakekele.
So ticabanga wena lapho. You are forgetting ukuthi why you started this whole thing.
Angisho into lesemcondweni wala muntu nikanya kangaka ngenxa ye.
Yeah, nidla imali yethu nini.
Yes.
Mina ngiyakuthatha lokho ngikubeke aside. Yeah, and then ngibe naloko ukuthi talent elifana leli rare. Very rare. And awufiki la ngekuhlakanipha kwakho ufika ngemusa. So why are you misusing igrace yaNkulunkulu ngalendlela le? Isebenzise. You didn't get paid. It's fine. Go. What if you're told a gig lokubhadala 3 times that money that you actually didn't get? Uyayiva? Faka musa, ufake qola, ufake ne-hard work. You'll get far.
Mina ngicabanga ukuthi into lenceda ema-artist kakhulu uyabona lokucala esonveni. Kuyayizambisa enhlitiyo yomuntu ukuthi akwadi ukuthi how
Abe understanding.
Yeah, how are you supposed to carry yourself uma sowufika lapha ebantwini?
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Ngiye ngeva nje bathi kunema artist la abe nalendo leyo ukuthi uma aperforma angisho yabona na uperforma on stage kuba nalabantu labanokuvela nje aqhashuke umuntu from the crowd afune ukubamba lomnye afune ukukhaga.
Yeah.
Occasions like that, how do you behave?
They're very nice. Mina, I even jump off from the stage to a crowd yami. I'm here for you. I am yours. You are mine. We are one. Yeah. Mina, I'm not Jesus. I don't. It's not like I'm far away from you. Mina, I want you to touch me. I want you to feel my presence. I want you to understand. Go say, no man, this is a people's person. Exactly. Ngaba lapha above you a stage, but masengibona ukuthi le moment le seyethu, I will come to you. My fans know that. I come to them. I hug them. Exactly.
Ngiye ngeva I think it's been 6 or 8 months back if I'm not mistaken. Ngiye ngeva bathi kunel artist lelidumile ngalabo Jozi ngala ngendlela mhlawumbe li treata ngakhona ema followers akhe bantu labamthandzako uyathi umuntu abe cheeky to such an extent ukuthi kugcine mhlambe kutsinzeka nebantu le bangamlandzeli ngaleyo ndlela. Kukhulunywe ngawe etinkundleni tokuchumana ngendlela lebhlungu. Mara ngiyakhumbula ngathi bathi lo mdzala wagcine avela on social media atocolisa kuma fans wakhe.
Yeah.
Duke bantu labaphatha ema fans abo ngaleyo ndlela leyo ungaba mhlawumbe ungabakhuda or ungaba advisor utsini?
All I can say, Bunzamana, is that you are where you are because of labantu lolongasabafuni masowule. If boy one ufuna ungitshela ukuthi bongafika le sikanginaki thina sithola sidu. Ubathe we are release we are having serious things to do thina we are not minding your business. Busy kabi.
Okay.
Uyayimosha ibrand yakho.
Okay.
Uyayimosha too much. Ula kule position lokuyo because you need people.
Okay.
Bantu ngibo labatokuphusha hayi ukuthi uyadiphusha wena.
Yes.
Msebenzi wakho uthi khulumela because of how you treat people and how you handle yourself on the internet. That counts. Lokukhuluma la nalokutypeako ngefoni yakho should make sense to the people out there who are looking kuwe. Uma utendela into mathanza ngathi kumbe iFacebook or iInstagram yakini, you don't do that. Siyakujikela thina. Thina siyajika. Kubalekile kudehlisa in this industry. Bani umuntu ukuze abantu batokuthanza. Yes.
I know la masonweni la upcoming artists bakhona abantwana lababelivela ku gospel genre so much njengoba sengivile ukuthi nawe yacala esonweni lenda. Kubantwana labafisa kuphumelela ku gospel music. Ngekubuka kwakho kulukhuni ngaleyo ndlela or is it easy on mhlawumbe lendlela wena lo soyithethe? Ngifuna nje ukuthola lapho ukuthi bantwana nabo bakhona ukuthi when they choose based on the different genres and careers on the music industry ati muntu ukuthi utoti bambelela kangakanani uma enda into mhlambe gospel ngiyabekisa mhlambe hip hop or mhlambe soul whatever it can be uyabona.
Okay.
So ungathini wena on those upcoming kids labafisa mhlambe kufika la ufike khona wena?
Gospel, when it comes to gospel is quicker.
Really?
Yeah, gospel is very quick.
Mara wena wayekela ayisimnanzi.
Angayekeli. I'm all over, I'm all over.
No, just be curious. Okay.
But something that I chose, good mina ngiyomeasureisha ngale generally,
Okay.
was the one that I mentioned. The
Okay,
two ones that
okay.
I mentioned. So, gospel, I feel like it's very easy. It's very, very easy.
Okay.
Kulula nokuba exposed when you're singing gospel.
Okay.
Gospel iyathi flowela, it's spiritual, it's simple. You don't need 1,000 words. You just need to worship the Lord because all of us are worshiping the Lord.
Okay.
Uyavisisa? So you can't tell me you hate gospel. Don't you listen to gospel? You do.
Mina ngiyithanda ngendlela lethusayo.
Exactly my point.
Ngiyithanda ngendlela lethusayo.
Mina mangavuka kusasa ngicula gospel. Oh, I do have a gospel song, by the way.
Really?
So yeah, and a number of my fans love that song.
Ungakhohlwa ke Mkhabela naye ufuna sidlale le gospel le wacala esontweni nomuntu ufuna
Exactly, I do have it.
Yes.
So asengithi kahle kahle kude igenre lehluphako. It just goes ngemusa ukuthi iphupho lakho lifezeke fast kangakanani. But to advise a person who's younger than me and looking forward to this music industry journey,
Yes.
gospel, my love. If you're singing gospel, stick to gospel. And there's a lot of money there.
Okay.
There's a hell of money there. People are not even aware of that.
Manje idzaba ngayifuni. Ungasaba itsanze kahle. Abathi labaningi acala gospel bayekele bahambe bayibocula umjayi.
You know what's the problem, ne? Gospel once wayihlabela.
Yes.
Now people expect you to be holy. You're no longer living your life. Semina sengibonakala ngathi ngilikholwa vele leqala nelegcina.
Okay.
There's too much rules and regulations when you're doing that genre. You are expected to carry yourself ngendlela yokuthi vele wena unamaphutha. You're not a human being. Uyavisisa?
Ngumkhuba wobuma Holy Ghost fire.
Yeah, fire in Jesus' name. You see, it's very sensitive. If you're going to get deep, it's very sensitive. But story for another day, right?
Ngoba thina ema-podcasters siyathanda thina indaba lethi chamuka emakhoneni sihlebahlebe kakhulu ngebantu yabona angisho vele kungumsebenzi wethu ngiyeva basi ungu-MC Somi kuhamba njani ifike njani ukuthi wena ube ngu-MC.
Okay. Iqiniso leliphelele.
Okay.
I was not an MC, man. I was not even thinking of that. Ngisho noma ngilele bengakuphuphi.
Qobo.
Yeah, that's the truth. But because ngil-artist, ne?
Yes.
And njengoba ngil-artist, I can see ukuthi asengithi bengibona ukuthi hayi man, because it's a past tense now.
Yes.
Bengibona ukuthi hayi man, ngathi ngislower kulo music.
Okay.
Okay, yes, I've got followers, but not that much because nami lento yami bengakayithatha serious kangaka.
Okay.
And I was like, for me to be heard and sing,
okay,
let me start something else. And the person who introduced me to that was Golden Soul.
Really?
Yes. Shout out to him.
Shout out to Golden Soul.
Exactly.
Sununu.
Exactly. So he introduced me to this MCing thing.
Okay.
And then, okay, you know, when you're starting, people will be like bashing on you, like, what are you doing? Who's this? And all of that. And then it happened, good see, wabana one-man show.
Okay.
What's he me? Who is Fatima? I was like, okay. What's the name, Mike? Do it. The rest was history. Yeah, my page grew in a space of 3 days. TikTok.
Uvile ke Mkhabela uyabona leli page shothi litawuthandzeka kayi-40 ngoba hey kunemuntu omkhulu la mhlala studio le.
It shows litawukhula even more.
Yeah.
I need that. So lo MC banginiketa nale fan base nalama followers that I've been looking for. And for me, ukuthi ba understand ukuthi hayi man, phela umuntu lo ka MC kuphela.
Okay.
Kahle uyacula because angithi labanye bangibona ku groove and khumbula ama gigs ami bekama live performances.
Yes.
So some of the people don't attend that. But lokho kuvame ukuattend abantu abadala, yabona.
Okay.
Yeah, ma gigs ema live band.
Abantu abanjengasi.
Yo, bantu labajengana sebakhulile.
Babe phela thini.
Exactly.
Oh yeah.
Exactly.
Okay.
So labanye they were just like happy ukuthi hayi man, ngibonile ngathi eCoyotes. I had to mention that for an example.
Okay.
eCoyotes bapostile ukuthi kuba ne soulful Sunday session ne band. Hayi man nathi ngiyobukela. Bantu abadala banasikhathi sokufollowisha. They'll just bekisa ukuthi hayi bani ke ma Sunday kunokuba nalomntwana lo yalo wahlabela. They'll go there.
Okay.
So for me to be heard by the rest,
Yes.
I had to come up with another plan.
Yeah, ne?
Of which someone implemented it kimi wayifaka lento yaphila ngayisebenzisa Golden Soul. And then MC yakwaqala lapho and now I'm starting to get gigs. And mangithola ama gigs, Golden Soul be like, leader lengoma, badova ukuthi kahle kahle wena, join artist.
Kune-gold lapha.
Yeah, kunegolide laphana, ungaganza lelithi ukreke kahle uvitsite ugayi wash.
Yeah.
There's gold there. There's something more.
Indzaba yegold uyakuhlekisa. Ngicela ungakuhlekisi shame. Utakumoshela le show. Konje vele ngala kithi ngala tigcwele tigenge letokukanza niphihlile 37.
Yeah, wena
Okay.
next ngihamba right la.
Awungitshele. What is the relationship with Golden Soul you?
Our relationship is very tight.
Nihlangene ngani na Golden Soul? Nibhizi ngani?
Mina na Golden Soul sihlangane nge-entertainment, including my cousin Sia Keys.
Okay.
Sihlangane nge-entertainment.
Okay.
Golden Soul is a DJ,
Okay.
also a producer,
Okay.
and a very good mentor of mine. Yeah, when it comes to the music industry, that guy, akavalelani ngaphandle, he gives you opportunities.
Oh yes.
He gives you great opportunities, and umake sure ukuthi ukufakela moya to craft yakho. Akutshele nokuthi if you don't believe me, follow this person. Landzela tinyathelo takhe, you will see what I'm talking about. I-relationship yami na Golden Soul, it's like business partners at the same time.
Yes.
My brother from another mother.
Yeah.
That's the truth.
Yeah, uyabona angavami ke kuyenda le. Ngifuna kuyihleba kancane nje. Ngitholele nalo Golden Soul lona ngim-interview. He sounds like a very nice guy.
An interesting guy.
Really?
Yeah.
How is his music? Uya-enjoya lo mculo la udlala wena?
I love Deep House. I really love Deep House. But Deep House, for me, ne,
Okay.
it's not something bad,
Okay.
but it's not something that I would consider for myself.
Okay.
Yeah.
For when?
For me.
It's good for him.
It's good for him.
Okay.
Nokuthi feature here and there, but I don't want to mix up my genres.
Okay.
I don't want to be caught up inside a hype. Kuthi ngiyaloku sekuthanda lipiano nanya Fatim. Sekuthanda in nanya Fatim.
Okay.
Sekubiyela gospel yaduma nanya mina. No, don't lose focus. Focus, my brother.
Okay.
Focus. Know what you want, so that you don't get to lose yourself in the process. Because once you implement the mentality ukuthi I'm doing this because I hype ingala, you will forget yourself.
Yes.
You will literally forget yourself through the process. Stick to what you are doing and let the other people do what they are doing.
Okay.
Ungahambi nemoya. Ulahleka.
Yeah, ngiyaye ngive ema-artist lamaningi mhlambe lasazama kubloma njengani uvela abanye mhlambe kuletinye inkundla zokuchumana when we see those interviews uve ukuthi umuntu athi I'm struggling nge-paperwork mhlambe I'm struggling nge-admin kule business yemculo. Ngiyafisa nje kwathi ukuthi wena who handles your admin njengemculo mhlambe ngaba i-manager or whoever kuhamba njani emabhukwini on your music business?
Honestly speaking, mina ngimuntu we-research.
Okay.
Yeah. I love getting the information before tackle simo.
Yes.
So I do everything on my own.
Oh.
I create my own invoices. I negotiate most of my gigs personally. Not because I don't want to work with someone. I've tried before.
Okay.
And then nomuntu loyo wangisabotage in a very painful way. So
Bantu banjonje.
too much.
Bantu banjonje.
Bantu bafuna imali bakhohlwe ukuthi hayibo phela we still need to grow. There's future ahead. We are still going to earn more. Mewuhlanyisa imali because we are starting. Sho ukuthi kahle kahle mesayingena serious when uyolahleka nekulahleka.
Yeah,
You'll be nowhere to be found.
makantshontsha 150 rand uyinkinga.
150,000 nje usangahlanya.
Yeah, uyinkinga.
Angabona ngathi yo mondla impilo leyo.
So that's the main thing that made you very sensitive on your admin.
Exactly.
Okay.
Very, very sensitive.
So for in future because mina ngikubona ungathi mhlambe nawe udibangela a bit of a load. Uyabona uma ngabe uthola ukuthi udendela konke, it's admin, it's managing yourself, music nyalo so ngeke studio ufuna ukubhala ingoma and all that. Ufisa ukuthi umuntu langakumanage mhlambe akwendele into leto angaba umuntu lonjani so uma ungacabanga nje, just being curious.
I wish it could be somebody from the family.
Really?
Yeah.
Like strong ngiyakuvuma abantu abathanzi kusebenza nabantu basemndenini yakho. Uyabona njengami mina imanager yami uma ngabe bekawasekhaya ngicabanga ukuthi ngaba izake ifike
No, umndeni nobambene. Umndeni nobambene uyakhulisana.
Okay.
Exactly. So I just wish it could be somebody from the family.
Okay.
Exactly. Ngizamile kubuka.
Yes.
And so far so good. Ngathi sengiyangakhona. Khona le ngimconsiderishako.
Okay.
Ngangimusho ngoba ojabula kakhulu.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I need someone from the family.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
When I saw ubusy upusha le agenda blood is thicker than water.
Blood is thicker than water. Yes. If we grow together, we get old together.
Okay.
And the family grows together. Yeah. Funa siqale sikhulisane ekhaya.
Sis Fatima, the biggest event loke wayithola as an MC. Lo ikhumbulako. And you enjoyed yourself so much lelo langa. Wabuye ekhaya wathi no, uyabona lento leyo ku-MC le angiyiyekeli le.
Summer
The
Blaze.
biggest one.
Summer Blaze events.
Okay.
Yeah. Summer Blaze events. I got booked twice. Yeah.
When
Twice.
was that?
I got booked
Where was that?
Bombela Stadium.
Really?
Yeah. Ngingabooka 2023
Okay.
and 2024.
Really?
Yeah, following year, but ngiyakelanzelana ngibhukwe this year and then ngabhukwa na following year. I was like, girl, you are leaving a mark.
Yeah.
What are you doing, wena? Uyaclimba, nakuya wena ba. What are you doing, nana?
Ukhona lokuhlebele ukuthi hayi nejika majika awuvikisi.
Ayasaka.
Ngicela labaphansi bami ukuthi basithi hlefu. Emafono akho akubone ukuthi kahle wendaba.
Oh man, yeah, but the Summer Blaze event was the one. That was the
Seswami,
biggest
we are
event.
honored to have you namhlanje ehlelweni lethu letiyabhadla. Ngiyathanza ke mine kuba nebantu labanjengawe ebantu labakhona kukhuluma impilo kubantwana labasakhulako mhlambe labasafuna kuphumelela. Bantwana abaningi sesifatima babuke nine banibuke ukuthi bafuna kuba ngilabantu leningibo namuhla. Bengifisa nje ukuthi emaphandleni wherever they are bantwana lapho bahlala khona sinelana sinemaplazi kulendzawo la bantwana bahlala emaplazini. Ngiyafisa nje ukuthi labo bantwana labo are recognized kuleyo ndzawo ukuthi lo mntwana uhlabela kamnanzi. Yini lobo ongabatshela yona mhlawumbe kuze acucuteleke kuvuke abasingesiswathi kunemalukuluku kuvuke lamalukuluku kulomntwana achubeke netalent lakhe. Sesivala nje kancane.
Yeah, yabona makase esikoleni.
Yes.
She or he
Yes.
must start practicing there. Akaqale kuparticipate nekupractice talent lakhe esikoleni. Lapho bantu lo bayindela le talent lelo balibone ukuthi liyaphila, it lives within you. They will never forget you.
Okay.
Noma ungahamba uyepi yothi hayi man. Fatima lento wayicala primary ngiyakhumbula bekacule assembly.
Yes.
Fatima this thing wayicala ngiyakhumbula bekacula maybe to a certain cultural group. You understand? You are leaving a mark. Start leaving a mark now so that noma so kuletinge tikhundla tempilo.
Yes.
They get to remember you. Hayi man. Nifuna umntwana locula kanje kukhona man uphume last year la primary. Ngathi ufunza kuphi sitakufunela yena. You get opportunities from that. In order for you to grow.
Yes.
Kala kuhlanyela nyalo lembewu. Ukuze tokhona kukhula. Sihlahla semganu uzifaka indumbu nyalo. After years and years. Ngikhane stop loma. Yonke into iqala as little and then it grows bigger. That's it. As long as you water your plant.
What an awesome show we had. Namuhla ngijabule kakhulu. Ngiyatikakela angathi nokusingendeni nini bekunene. Ngijabule kakhulu kuba nawe seswami on our show namuhla. Balandzeli bethu, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Ningakhohlwa bafowethu ngisane sigadla se-surprise lengeniphathele sona. Ningakhweshi, nihlale nisemafonini nibukile ngidanamathela. Peace.
Bye.